Mix half cup of yellow lentils and half a cup of red lentils, that's moong dal and masoor dal, and wash it thoroughly for 2 to 3 times. This is turmeric, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of cumin seed and half teaspoon of mustard seeds, black mustard seeds, and asafoetida 2 pinches, also known as hing, asafoetida. You make basic tempering with 2 tablespoons of oil. Put mustard seeds, cumin seeds and turmeric and asafoetida into it. When it crackles, then add chopped onion, 1 chopped onion, 2 to 3 pieces of green chilies and tomato, and 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Fry it well for 2 minutes and add your washed dal into it. Add 3 times water into it and pressure cook till it cooks soft. Heat a pan on high. I am taking here a small pressure cooker. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. And when the oil is hot, add our cumin seeds, mustard seeds and turmeric. Add 2 pinches of asafoetida, that is hing. When the cumin seed splutters, add 2-3 pieces of green chili, onion, and here I am taking 1 full onion, one tablespoon of ginger and garlic. Now add tomatoes in it and fry for 1 or 2 minutes. And now add the dal, lentil, and now add your washed lentil dal, all of it. And add garam masala, salt, little bit of red chili and 2 pieces of green chili, all at once. Fry for 30 seconds, let it get mixed. Okay, after frying the dal, lentils, now add some water, around 2 cups. Close the lid and cook it for 15 good minutes or till your lentil dal is cooked soft. Okay, now I close the lid of my small pressure cooker and I let it cook for 15 minutes at a medium flame. Now switch off the stove till it gets cooled down completely. Let's see our lentils. This is how our lentil curry looks when it is cooked after 15 to 20 minutes. Now add some boiling water. If you want it. I have added 1 more cup of boiling water in it because I want my dal this way, thinner, not too thick. And now let's serve it. You can serve it with rice or with roti. So our dal fry is ready. Garnish it with some cilantro and some more chopped tomatoes. And serve your dal like this in a plate. Some rice, onion and tomato, garlic chutney and lemon wedges, and also serve it with onion slices and cilantro. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye.